Welcome back, guys. We are doing. Will you press the button? This is my second time recording because the other one crashed. If this crashes again, I'll just upload it. The United States finally converts to the metric system. Don't know what that means. The rest of the world converts to the. I don't know what that means, so I'm just gonna say I will not. Oops, sorry for that. Down below. You get the ability to speak any language you want. You have this Kixela. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go search that up real quick. I will be back in a split second. Okay, guys, I didn't do it. So I will see you guys in a split second. I'm back. It actually posted it for me, and it's like about reading and vision and stuff. So let's do this again. Disney, George Lucas, and everyone else will leave the Star Wars Francisco alone forever. The Indiana Jones series ceases to exist. I don't know what these mean, so I'm just gonna say I will not. Okay. Guys, I don't really like Star Wars anyways. You're able to shapeshift into a specific animal of your choosing, woolly or you become emotional and aggressive and reacting with anger, causing you to shift no matter who sees, and I'm gonna say no. Okay, I'm gonna keep on pressing good. You become the president of the United States, everyone hates you. I would, because I'd be controller of the thing that everyone would still hate me. So when your tax refund arrives, make it go a little further. So you become Obama? No thanks. You get $1 every minute of your life for the rest of your life. You lose your sense of humor. Well, that's hard because I can be like billionaire. Or I'll lose my sense of humor. I will. I do have a big sense of humor, but I want $1 every second, every minute. I could just buy a new one. Yeah, he's right. You become the world's smartest person in one subject, can be switched once a year. You can do any normal thing, cook, clothe yourself, eat, need to be fed, so on. Yeah, just being normal but smarter. Huh. Steve Hawking. Humanity achieves a utopia where everyone is happy and there is no war or suffering. Mankind never escapes Earth. It will all be over when the sun explodes. Yup, press that. This means no more and then normal everything. The sun will expand, therefore burning everything on Earth, and the sun is usually the burning TARDIS. Morgan Fenwick. You can create any food at will. You can't eat any of it. Yeah, I can. I'll do that. Because I can still eat other food. So I won the rest of the money to buy my favorite food.
You change it. Remote's closer to you.
Kill people with your thoughts. Victim, figure out your power. It will backfire onto you. No, I'm not gonna die from someone else. Well, that'd be awesome because I can just kill Hitler and then one person dies. But I won't do that. How can the HELO? Can a dead person figure out anything? You're right.
No. Well, we tried.
You'll have a magical power and a talking cat. That'd be awesome. You'll have to stop evil whenever you see it. Like what kind of evil? Like a child that comes over you and tries to kill you? You punch him in the face? Or like a big manly person? Yeah, I would because be a superhero and superheroes are awesome. You're Sabrina the Teenage Witch.
Do we have to? Yeah, I really don't feel like teleporting instantly across the entire city. Fine. Since you're all lazy,
You can control the thoughts and emotions of others. Your subconscious desires also multiple others, so you can never be certain what others really think or feel about you. That'd be good and bad, because if someone loves you, want to know, you don't know. What if someone's mad at you and they want to kill you? I will not. I'd be a normal person.
Dude, what was Teen Titans, meet Team Robin. This is Robin. Hi there, Robin. Well,
So, become Princess Elsa.
Whoa, there are 3 other Robins. Oh, there have been more than that.
All your worldly ambitions are fully, and you live a happy life. You grow taste buds in your a-hole, and the only way to get rid of this is by removing your penis entirely, and there are no loopholes to get around this. So I just shove food up my butt.
Of course they did. They're all Robins. They always have to be the best.
I'm not, because I'm going to taste poop when I do that.
Guys, this might shock you, but I have an idea.
Do you poop out of your mouth?
I hope seeing us in action has inspired you all to try harder. Totally. We learned our lessons. Thanks, Rob. Always happy to show a true.
Okay, let's do this last one.
Oh, sorry. I was talking to the
You're the world's most talented musician. You can never listen to any music but your own.
You, Robin. The best Robin. The one with the
Can I just make my own? Can I just make all? I don't listen to music a lot.
best. Test that theory. Come on, guys. We all know I'm the best. There's no way I'm not the best Robin. Clearly I'm the best. At least the toughest.
That's hard. No,
Come on, guys. Y'all better recognize I'm the best.
sorry, but I don't know why. Ooh, that's surprising that so many people would not press the button.
For instance,
I mean, if you're the world's most talented musician, just do a crap ton of covers. Yeah. So, unfortunately, this was the last one. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.